Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope so that you all will be fine. As you know that we are on chapter number 4 part B. The title of this chapter is The Moon. You know students that we have completed its reading and its vocabulary and we are on its exercise. This is page number 40 and you know that in our previous lecture we have completed its question answers. Today we are going to do its part 2. Which words at the end of lines rhyme? Write down the rhyming pairs. Students, you know that there is a rhyme scheme in the poem. Look at the poem. There is rhyming words like hall, wall, keys, trees, mouse, house, noon, moon, day, way, eyes, rise. All these words are rhyming words. Look here students, these all are rhyming words and you have to write them on your book. Hall, wall, keys, trees, mouse, house, noon, moon, day, way, eyes and rise. Look at the third part. How is the word keys pronounced? First guess by looking at the words in the poem, then look in a dictionary. Students, here is a little activity. You have to do it yourself. That first you have to look the word in the poem and then you have to find the pronunciation of this word, that how it is different from other words. Now look at F part. Answer the questions about these lines from the poem. Here the line is given. But all the things that belong to the day cuddle to sleep to be out of her way. Students, these are the lines from last stanza. You have to give the answers of these questions from these lines. Look at the first one question, that is A part. Who or what is being spoken about? You will write the answer of this question, that people, animals and plants that are awake in the daytime. These things are spoken about in these last lines. Now look at B part. What are some of the things that belong to the day? You know students, the children and flowers are the things that belong to the day. So you will write the answer of this question, children and flowers. Now look at C part. What does cuddle mean? Students, in our previous lecture we come to know the meanings of cuddle. So you will write the answer of this question, that cuddle means to hold something or hug. Now look at D part. What are some of the things that belong to the night? Students, you know that in our previous lecture we have discussed all the things that belongs to night. That are thieves, because thieves just go out at night to steal things. Streets, fields, birds sleeping in the trees, and the animals like cat, dog, mouse and bat. All these things belong to the night. So students, I think so this exercise is quite clear to you and you have to learn this exercise. If you have any query, you can ask us and you can comment us. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.